So festival season is finally here, and to celebrate, I wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial using some of my new favorite EVA NYC products that are available now at Target. Now to get started, I'm going to be taking the EVA NYC Up All Night Volumizing Spray. I'm just going to be applying this all over my damp hair just to kind of give it a little bit of boost. I want my hair to be really voluminous and really lively, and because I'm putting it up today, I want to make sure that it has a really good extra boost of volume. I'm now going in with the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer and applying this all over my ends. It not only helps to help my hair look healthy, but it helps it to feel healthy as well, especially when you're doing lots of heat styling. That is so important. Now for my hair today, I'm going to be blow drying it with the new Sunset Sorbet blow dryer. Obviously it's super pretty, but I also love that it's not very loud. It has different heat settings and also different strengths. You can kind of go higher or lower depending on what you're trying to achieve. And as you guys can see, it made my hair so soft and so silky and so shiny. I could not get over it. It was so much fun to use, and I just love the results that it gave. Using the Sunset Sorbet flat iron, I'm going to be using this to flat iron my hair. I just want to make sure that the hair is very smooth. With this kind of style of these space buns, you want to make sure that there's not a lot of frizz, and this flat iron really helps to just make the hair so perfectly smooth and shiny, and with these space buns, it just turned out so nice. You can also use this to curl your hair, just to touch up your ends. It heats up super fast, and especially on my really long, thick hair, you guys, it just worked so incredibly well. To get started on our updo, I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair right down the center, giving it just a really nice, even center part. I'm taking my little teasing comb just to make sure I have a nice straight line. And as I'm going through, I'm just kind of smoothing the hair out with my fingers. I'm then going to take that same comb and go right down the back of my head until basically my hair is divided into two equal sections, one on the left and one on the right. Now you're going to want to take some rubber bands, and what I'm going to do is take one half of my hair and brush it upwards until I like the way that it looks. I want to do this just to make sure that all the baby hairs and hairs all brushed up into the right direction to make sure that the style looks nice and clean when we're finished. I'm then going to take those rubber bands and tie my hair into a high pony. Now on the very last loop, and for me it takes about 2 to 3 loops, I'm not going to pull the hair all the way through. So on that last one, you can see I'm going to take the rubber band, twist it around once, and then as I pull the hair through, I'm going to stop about 1/4 of the way so I kind of have this high little fanned out section of hair. Now what I'm going to do with the hair that's still hanging is wrap that around the base so I cover up that ponytail so it's not visible. And then when I'm done wrapping it around, I'm going to go ahead and take some pins and just pin those hairs down in the back right underneath the bun so they're not visible. From there, what I'm going to start doing is pulling on that little loop of hair until I like the way that it looks. So you're basically just pulling the hair out so it gets a little bit looser. And what I want to do is just kind of build that bun and the volume in it until I like the way that it looks. So I just grab little sections and pull and tug kind of until it looks just perfect. What I'm going to do then is start to grab little sections of the hair and pin them down to my head. And what this does is just really help secure the hairstyle in place. And basically there's no right or wrong way to do this. You want to just keep pinning it down until you like the way that it looks. I like mine to look a little bit extra messy and crazy because that's just me. Then using the Main Magic primer, I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on my teasing brush and then use it to comb up all of my baby hairs to make sure that my edges are nice and flat. Now that this side is complete, I'm going to the other side. I'm just going to repeat the process all over again, wrapping the hair around, pulling it through, securing the wraparound bottom in place, and then starting to pull on the loops and secure them section by section until I like the way that they look. I'm going to secure those baby hairs with a little bit of Main Magic primer, and then to hold everything in place, I'm going in with a little spritz of the Hold Me Tight hairspray just to make sure my buns stay in place all day long. I'm going to be mixing up a glitter concoction, just a bunch of different colors and shapes of glitter from Michaels. I use pinks, blues, purples, everything, and I'm spraying some Main Magic primer into it. So not only are we adding some decoration to our hair, but by having that Main Magic primer, we're also treating our hair and making sure that we don't do any damage to it and keeping it nice and healthy. Once everything's mixed together, I'm just taking my brush and applying it all over my hair, focusing mainly on my roots and then bringing it up into my buns a little bit as well. And you can add as much or as little as you like. I'm then sealing everything in with one last coat of the Hold Me Tight hairspray to make sure that the glitter stays in place all day. And why not add some flowers, because it is festival season and who doesn't love beautiful flowers? These are just some craft flowers that I got at Michael's. I have some paper ones and some faux fabric ones as well. And they all come pre-done on pins. So literally all I'm doing is just placing them in my hair around the buns until I like the way that it looks. I wanted to do some really fun festival colors, so I have some blues, purples, oranges, some aquas, and I just love the way that this turned out. The flowers were such a nice touch, and with the glitter, it was just so extra, and I am totally living for it. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on everything, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do decide to recreate it, make sure you guys tag me and EVA NYC. We'd love to see the looks that you create using their products. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!